Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Make sure your Ps5 runs the latest firmware because many sync flags depend on updated software. Sign into your PSN account and confirm PS Plus cloud saves are active since automatic sync relies on cloud access. Once done, go to Settings, Power Save, and enable Stay Connected to Internet. Use a wired Ethernet connection if you can, because stability prevents the console from disabling automatic sync when it detects unreliable networks. Next, you dive into the specific auto-sync controls. Go to Settings, then Save Data and Game/App Settings, and turn Auto-Upload on for console storage. This is the master switch. Then inspect individual titles and enable automatic upload where the master switch did not apply. Some games keep local overrides. Also make sure console time and date are set to automatic, because if the clock drifts, the PlayStation servers will reject sync requests, and the system will mark auto-sync. Finish by repairing and validating the system. Boot into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database to clear corrupted indexes that can cause auto-sync to be flagged as disabled. Once rebuilt, sign out of PSN and sign back in, restore licenses, and test with a single game to confirm automatic upload works. If it still fails, check your NAT type and DNS settings. Use 8 for testing, and verify PSN service status. If servers are down, wait and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.